Hey there, caregivers and family champions. If you're taking care of mom and dad or another loved one, first off, huge respect. It's one of the most meaningful things you can do, but let's be real, it can also be expensive. The good news? Uncle Sam might actually cut you a little slack. I'm Jude Creamer, a real estate broker in the Bradenton area, specializing in helping seniors and their families. Stick with me for a couple of minutes and I'll walk you through some tax deductions you may not know about. Plus, a smart way to sell mom's home without losing a chunk of it to taxes. Sound good? Let's dive. All right, first up, medical expenses. If you're paying for mom's doctor visits, prescriptions, in-home nursing care, or even things like wheelchair ramps and walk-in tubs, you may be able to deduct those costs. But here's the kicker. They've got to exceed 7.5% of your income, so keep those receipts handy. Next, let's talk about the dependent care credit. Yep, the IRS actually recognizes that sometimes you need help caring for a loved one while you work. If you're paying for adult daycare or home care, you could get some tax relief. And let's not forget aging in place modifications. Things like grab bars, stair lifts, or widened doorways to keep mom safe at home. These may also be tax deductible medical expenses. Same goes for dementia care, whether it's memory care facilities or home health aides. These costs could be tax deductible if they're medically necessary. Oh, and caregivers, you deserve a break. If you're paying for respite care so you can recharge, there might be a tax deduction for that too. Who knew, right? Now let's talk about selling mom's home, because we don't want the IRS taking more than their fair share. Now, if she's lived there for at least 2 of the last 5 years, she can exclude up to $250,000 in capital gains, double that if she's married. But if she holds on to the home until she passes, her heirs may qualify for what's called a step-up basis, meaning they would inherit the home at the current market value, avoiding a massive tax hit. And one quick heads up, selling her home could impact Medicaid eligibility, so definitely check with an expert before making any big moves. Look, I know tax stuff isn't the most thrilling topic, but saving money, that's exciting. And hey, I'm not a CPA, so be sure to chat with your favorite tax pro to make sure you're getting all the deductions you deserve. Need recommendations for great CPAs or Medicaid experts, dementia care specialists, or even downsizing pros? I've got a whole network of fantastic people who can help, and I'd love to share their names. Reach out to me at jude@judecreamer.com, and I'll point you in the right direction. All right, that's it for today. Go forth, care well, and keep more money in your pocket. And remember, life changes are hard. Home changes don't have to be. See you next time.